Come down from the car.
What's the meaning? Come down from the car. Come. What? I'm respecting you, and I'm respecting you because of your husband.
Come down from the car.
I'm respecting you because of your husband. Stop this nonsense you are doing.
You're shameless. You are shameless.
Can you leave my leg alone?
I should leave your leg. Come down from the car.
See, if I fall,
I will push you down because you're shameless.
If I fall, you are going to be in serious trouble.
Look at you. You
don't realize that I'm your husband's elder brother.
You open mouth to say that you're my husband's elder brother. Yet you're in our house, eating our food, not paying for any bills. You still want to use our car? You are so shameless.
What is wrong with me using my brother's car? What is wrong with me?
Let me show you what is wrong. Come. What is wrong is that you should use your leg.
What's your problem?
What is happening? Honey, this is too much now. This is too much.
This is too much. I don't understand. Why you shut down? I am my elder brother. What is happening?
Yes, I'm shutting at him.
Meaning what? No, come over to this side. Bro, can you imagine that I was trying to go out with the car? I want to go and see a friend. Your wife just ran and started dragging me. For what now? Babe, for what? You're not going to do anything. Look, can you just listen to me? This is my senior brother you are talking about. He came back from the UK and since then you have been acting funny.
That's the more reason.
No, I don't like it. No, listen to me. You don't have to do that to him. You don't have to do that to him. I don't like it. What is wrong with me driving my brother's car? No. The car we are talking about, do you know? Okay, now let me just open up. Let me just make it open to you. This car you are fighting for belongs to him.
It's funny how? He just changed everything. This car have been driving. He just came back. Not up to 1 month.
The first year he traveled, he sent this car to me. We have been eating in this house. Yes, my brother. We have been doing business in this house. My brother.
And I have been praising you that you have been the one.
Yeah, I started not to tell you all this. Why? I started not to tell because you talk too much. All your friends, we want to tell them everything. I've been observing you. Look at who I've been doing things for. Look at the person that I've been doing everything for. Everything. He has been the one, even the business we own today. Just because he has some little problem, he came back trying to organize himself. Now you are looking at him as someone that is lazy. My senior brother, why are you doing this to me? I should have taken this guy immediately I came back. I should have. But he said no. When I told him, I said, okay, now the way things are, can you just sell this car and start over again? He said no, that this car belongs to me now. I should take it. I was just being considerate. How can my brother who has been driving a car around the community, I come back and I come and take the car from him? Just imagine. Now he wants to go out. Now you are fighting him.
Honey, you did not tell me now. You didn't tell me.
Must he tell you? You cannot respect your husband's family even if I were poor, even if I had nothing. Can't you respect me for the mere fact that I'm your husband's elder brother? Is that not enough? Please, I'm so sorry. I also made a mistake for not telling her. Bro, I was scared because it's not everything you just have to tell me. Bro, my wife, you know the kind of friendship you know that I love this woman. You know that I have done things for you because of her so many times. I feel so pained that she's the one doing this thing to me. I'm so sorry. Babe, can you just apologize to me? It doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter whether I was the one that bought the car or not. What should matter is the fact that you should have a conscience to respect your husband's family. This is bad. Please just forgive us. No. You know I cannot hold it to heart. I love her. It's okay. Stand up. It's okay. I love you. I love you, but this you doing this thing to me, it's really, really pained me today. It's fine. But please, make sure that you prepare my best meal to apologize. Oh, sure. She will do that.
Bye. Don't hurt yourself. You did tell me. You did tell me I'm disgracing myself.
Because you know the way things have been to me. You think I've been all these things?
Them so that they will know that my husband has money. I never knew that you don't
even have my blood.
You have to start working hard though. Leave me.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.